All right, where we at?
We're at Sprewell Bluff Park. There's your opening.
Yeah, there we go. We're at Sprewell Bluff Park.
Look, they give you the walking trails. The longest one's called Widowmaker Trail. I wonder why.
It's 5.5 miles long. And it's the Purple Blaze. Okay, this is the Long Leaf Loop, which is just 1.5 miles. Hey! It's just 1.5 miles. Look, we're right here on the Flint River.
Oh, okay.
I don't blame you. He thinks he's tired now. Oh, what a cute little branch.
Oh my God.
Oh, your gosh, what? Oh my goodness. I see that. Somebody died right there. There's more than one too, y'all. Look.
Yeah.
I wonder what happened right here. Oh my goodness. Kind of hurts my feelings.
Well, careful if they died.
That has a name on it, but I cannot read it. This one has a name and a date and everything. This was Santiago Nicholas Raphael Bernabe. And he was 1 year away from 20 years old. I wonder what happened. That's sad.
Just a little memorial.
That's just somebody put up a memorial, but somebody else died at the same time. I just can't read their name.
Might not be at the same time.
Might not have been at the same time. That's true. I do know this. There's a little shade over here. Keeps me just a little ways out of the hot Georgia sun.
I think I see a turtle.
Oh, there's lots of turtles out there. They're on the rocks, but I see the one you're talking about, the big one over there on the,
Yeah.
the pointy rock sticking up.
You might be able to. Look at this bridge.
Yeah.
I can zoom in on it right here.
I don't
Or on
think,
the other side
I don't
of
think
the
I
bridge.
can. I don't think I can zoom that far. Look at all these little creeks. I see, honey. Thank you. Oh, look there, one just hit the water. One just jumped off the rock.
And there he goes.
The other one went into. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful.
We didn't get on this side of it last.
Nope, we didn't. Had never been over here.
Look at this tree.
Wow, that was a big one, wasn't it?
You could almost crawl up in it.
Yeah, I'm sure something has. That has been down for a long time.
I wonder if people even walk this trail around here.
Surely somebody does. I mean, you know. I don't know. We've been here before and didn't know it was over here. Then again, for some reason, we look closer at everything right now.
A yellow-bellied tree.
Ah, blazed a trail. Ah, there's another bridge.
All these leaning trees too.
They're leaning away from the water too. All of them are. Look up through there. This one's leaning away.
Yeah.
That one's leaning away.
Watch out for snakes.
Thank you. We'll do that. Now, when I was a kid and I went swimming in the Flint River down in South Georgia, almost at the Florida line, I remember we heard there was gators.
Little fall.
I see it.
See?
I do see him. That's not a butterfly though, that's a horsefly. A dragonfly, not a horsefly. A dragonfly.
That's a little bitty tree.
That's a cute little tree. Ah, there's another blaze. Yeah, I see that. Oh, we can go either way. It's going to loop back around. We're going to come out right there and go back this way. So we can go this way or we can go that way. I say we go this way because that way looks like uphill immediately.
Let's avoid the hill.
We'll come down the hill instead of going up the hill maybe. Can't see the river right now. Or you probably could if Tim was holding the camera, but I hold it at least 1.5 feet lower than he does. Ah, turtles all over them rocks over there too. Okay, hang on and I'll swap views. Let me get over here. And it's almost straight up over there, ain't it?
Sandy.
Yep. Yes, very sandy. That's a pretty little rapid there. Here, I have there's a method to my madness. I'm left-handed, my right arm's tied. Yep, I found the other one I'm gonna fall.
Looks like we're heading in the right direction. Looks like we're heading in the right direction.
We're heading in the right direction. Absolutely. You have to kind of wonder if they uprooted those trees for this path.
I don't know. Ooh. I think all these turtles see a camera and they jump in the water.
The camera's shy. Well, they probably hear us walking down through here and say, what is this? People don't walk on this path. There's water on the path.
Yellow marks the spot.
Oh, the bank is soaking wet now. Look at this. Wow. Tree limb got you.
The bridge coming up. See if I can cross on the rocks.
Toward the river. It looks like put those rocks there specifically for that, you know it? They were timed, they were parted just perfect. There is a nice boulder coming
I
up
said,
in
I
front of
like
us.
that boulder.
Yeah, I'm talking about the one in front of us on the path.
A little rocky.
Yep. I like that boulder.
Oh yeah,
That's what
that
I'm
is a
talking about.
nice boulder.
Is that one over
It's a big one up there.
there? Uh-huh.
I bet we got to go up.
I was fixing to say, I bet we're going to walk across the top over there to go back. That's all right. It's an adventure. It's an adventure that we've never been on before. It's an adventure that we didn't know we were going on today. Else we would have packed a real backpack.
Okay, here's a rock. A big rock.
There's a bigger one on down the path. Oh my goodness. That is a nice boulder.
Show them how nice that boulder is, babe. Go ahead.
Wet.
You don't have to sit on it. Just stand by it so I can get an idea how big it is. Yeah. Uh-huh. Muddy. Oh well. Yeah, these turtles are camera shy.
It hit the water as soon as you
I
got
saw
over
it.
here.
There's a turtle right there under the water. All right, hold it right there. Turn around and smile. Cool.
All right, you got a good view behind you too. People, I thought we got some boat in the path, but I can't see, so.
Smells a little fishy around here. Oh, good thunder.
Sounds a little stormy around here. Oh, it does smell fishy.